Alright, go again. Thanks to my lucky client. What's up, guys? Welcome to this new video. I'll be installing a strobe controller thing. Here it is. So what this is supposed to do is just flash the taillights when I press on them. Then they'll go to a steady lighting. But let's see how this works, and I hope I like it. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it real quick. Hope you guys enjoy this video, so stick around. Coupe, guys, if you're trying to do this, there's the bolts back here are size 8. There's only 2, so I'll get back with you guys in a bit. So to pop these out, it's really not that hard. I need to find these ones, put one right here too, because there's nothing holding that. Yeah, I can probably see if I can get a screw in through the other side, which I probably could. It would probably work a lot better if I see what I can do with that. But anyways, so let me see. So I have this right here. I'm gonna take it off real quick. Is in goes to the car, out goes to the bulb. So it goes like this. This is in, goes that way, and then out goes through the bulb. Gonna show you guys which cables you guys want to splice up. Alright, so the cables you guys want to splice up. So this is the tail light right here, and as you can already see, there's that black one. That's the negative. Splice that right there, and then the second one would be this one, this green and yellow one. Splice that one up as well. Cut those two, and then I'm gonna splice them real quick. Yeah, so stay tuned, keep watching. That's what I mean. Here's a nice splicer. Not gonna show you guys me splicing it. Hold on. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So I already got them spliced up. These ones already come spliced up, so all you got to do is remove the tip end, and that's it. So anyways, this goes to the car, black with black, and then this red one's gonna go with this green and yellow one. I think it's the same for Infinity cars also. 350Z cars, I don't think it's the same, because I think they're different wiring. But newer model Infinity G37s, I think they might have the same wiring. I'm not sure, but so I haven't seen anyone else post a video like this. So hopefully I'm the first one, and hope you guys learn from me. Anyway, so I'm gonna put this on and show you guys how it goes. Alright guys, so I got them on. This is how they're supposed to go. And goes to the car, goes to the bulb. This is how it goes. I'm gonna put them back on and gonna show you guys a quick clip of how they look. The cool thing that comes with this strobe kit is that it has this double-sided heading tape thing. What you do is just put it on this side, and then what I'm gonna do is put it right here, just hold it onto there. So I'm gonna show you guys the finishing look. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna put the tail light back on and gonna show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, so that's what it looks like. I like it. Well worth it. I'll leave the link in the bio and hope you guys enjoy. Peace.